Hello children, how are you all? Hope you're all safe at home. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. The name of the lesson is Nutcut. N T K T. Nutcut. Meaning naughty. Children, in this lesson Nutcut, a rat called Nutcut not obeying his parents. Let us see what happened to this rat Nutcut. Children, we must obey our parents. When they ask you not to do something, you should not do that. When our parents say not to go somewhere, we should not go to that place. Okay? When our parents ask us to do something, we must obey their words and act accordingly. Never disobey your parents. Children, you must obey your parents, teachers, grandparents, and all elders. Alright? When you are not obeying them, you will get into trouble. Okay? So you must always obey your parents. When you are not obeying them, you will get into trouble. Okay? So let us see what happened to this rat Nutcut. मेरा नाम नटकट है. So my name is Nutcut. So Nutcut is telling, मेरा नाम नटकट है. My name is Nutcut. Ma. So Nutcut's mother. What she is telling? जैसा नाम वैसा इसका काम. जैसा नाम वैसा इसका काम. His name is naughty. Okay. Whatever he does is also naughty. So his name is naughty. So whatever work he is doing, it is also naughty. दिन भर कूदता रहता है. Whole day he keeps jumping. Whole day he keeps jumping. Next, Pitaji. Pitaji means father. What is Pitaji? What is his father telling? संभल कर चला करो, चोट लग सकती है. So his father is telling, walk carefully. Walk carefully. Otherwise you may get hurt. You may get hurt. So संभल कर चला करो, walk carefully. चोट लग सकती है. चोट means hurt. Otherwise you may get hurt. So father is telling, walk carefully, otherwise you may get hurt. Okay? So always our parents wants us to walk carefully, otherwise we will get hurt. So while walking you have to look here, okay, up, left and right. Okay, you have to see what is in front of you, otherwise you may get hurt. Nutcut. मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं बहुत बहादुर हूँ. So what is our Nutcut telling? Nothing will happen to me. I am very brave. बहादुर, brave. मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen to me. मैं बहुत बहादुर हूँ. I am very brave. मैं बहुत बहादुर हूँ. I am very brave. So whenever our parents are telling us, be careful, what we'll say? No, I can manage. So we will tell like that. Okay, so you should not do like that. You have to obey your parents' words. Ma. So what is Nutcut's mother telling? Tum. Tum means you. Tum yahi ruko. Ruko means wait. You wait here. So what is the mother telling? You wait here. तुम यही रुको. You wait here. हम. हम is we. अभी. आते हैं, हम अभी आते हैं, we will come back now. Okay, so what is the mother telling? तुम यही रुको. She is asking Nutcut to wait in the same place. So she is asking Nutcut to wait in the same place. हम अभी आते हैं, we will come back now. So let us see what our Nutcut is going to do now. So always he never obeys his parents. Okay, he always plays with his friends, not obeying his parents' words. So let us see what happened to our friend Nutcut. Nutcut, अब मैं करूँगा खूब उछल कूद. So now he is telling, now that parents have gone somewhere, now I will start jumping. So I will, उछल कूद is jumping. अब मैं करूँगा खूब उछल कूद. So now I will happily jump. आगे पीछे, आगे front, पीछे back. Okay, I will start jumping front and backwards. ऊपर नीचे, up and down, इधर उधर, here and there, सब जगह, everywhere. Okay, he's happily enjoying now. Now he is jumping. Can you see he's enjoying? Happily he is enjoying because his parents left the place. He is happily enjoying. He's playing with his friends. So he is enjoying. Now, Nutcut. अरे यह मेरे पैर में क्या अटक गया? Oh no, what happened to my feet? Something got stuck to my feet. यह तो ऊन का गोला है. These threads of the woolen roll. These are the threads of the woolen roll. It got stuck to my feet. अभी कुतरता हूँ. So I will nibble and remove these threads from my feet. इस ऊन को कुतर कुतर, ऊन कुतरता है. कुतरना meaning to nibble. Children, have you seen how the rat eats by taking small bites? Have you seen the rat eating the bread? The bread has been nibbled by mice. So it eats by taking small bites. Okay. अरे यह ऊन क्यों नहीं कुतरती? अरे यह ऊन क्यों नहीं कुतरती जा रही? Now, oh no, why I am not able to nibble these threads? Now Nutcut is worried because he is not able to nibble these threads. So when we are in trouble, what we will do? We will call our parents. Yes or no? Now he is in trouble. Can you see he got stuck to the woolen threads and he is not able to move. Now he is scared. So these are the woolen threads. Our Nutcut got stuck in the woolen threads. Now he wants his parents to help him. So can you see the parents are working? Now on hearing our Nutcut's voice, they are rushing to that place. So now he is telling, माँ माँ बचाओ बचाओ, पिताजी मुझे बचाओ. So what माँ माँ बचाओ means mother, help, help. पिताजी father, मुझे बचाओ, पिताजी help me. माँ माँ बचाओ, mother, mother help, help me. Okay, Pitaji, mujhe bachao. So on hearing Natkat's voice, they are rushing to that place. So now mother is asking, Natkat, Natkat, kaha ho tum? Natkat, where are you? Natkat, where are you? Mother is asking. Pitaji, kya hua Natkat? Father, now father is asking, Natkat, what happened? Natkat, what happened? Now on hearing Natkat's voice, his parents, okay, now on hearing Natkat's voice, his parents rush to help him. Can you see they are rushing to help our friend Natkat? Yes? Okay, children, the rest of the story we will continue in our next class. Okay, children, this rat Natkat must have obeyed his parents. So they asked Natkat to stay in that place, but he did not obey. Since he did not obey, okay, he is in trouble now. Let us learn how his parents saved him in our next class. Children, always obey your parents, teachers, grandparents, and all elders. Alright? Keep practicing this, children. Till then, it's bye from your Hindi ma'am, Vadivukarasi. Dhanyavad.